How to make seed stock for rMMS microseeding. The first step is to choose which crystals to make the seed stock from. If possible, avoid conditions containing less soluble salts, as adding these conditions to a new screen will likely result in salt crystals. Place an empty tube with seed bead on ice. Use a sharp blade to carefully remove the seal from the selected well. Transfer 20 to 50 microliters of the crystallization condition from the reservoir well to the tube with seed bead and place on ice. Using a crystal crusher, crush the crystals as much as possible in 30 seconds. Delicate protein crystals should break easily as shown here. If you hear or feel a click when breaking, it's probably a salt crystal. Some seed crystals will stick to the crusher probe. These can be recovered by washing the probe in the seed bead tube containing the crystallization condition. Now aspirate 2 to 6 microliters of the crystallization condition from the seed bead tube. We will use this to resuspend the crushed crystals in the drop and transfer to the seed tube. Repeat this step until no crushed crystals are visible in the drop. Once all of the crushed crystals have been transferred to the seed bead tube, we will vortex the seed bead tube for 30 seconds 4 times and place on ice for 15 seconds between vortexing to avoid heating. This is to further crush the crystals and to produce a more homogeneous seed stock. The seeds can be used immediately or stored at -80 for future use.